So hello guys, welcome to Safe Talks episode number 3. So in today's video we are going to discuss all these topics. So out of first topic is BOP. Now what is the meaning of BOP? BOP means blowout preventer. Okay, so basically how it is related to safety. So see guys, it is basically related to oil and gas safety. Okay, when you specifically appointed as a drilling safety officer. Okay, where the oil and gas well is going to be drilled. Okay, it may be your onshore, it may be your offshore. So at that time there is a risk of kick. Okay, that is kick. Now what happens in a kick is when you are drilling your particular well inside a surface, or it may be your under the offshore operations. So at the time there will be some unwanted flow of oil and gas from that reservoir. Reservoir means where the oil and gas is stored. It's a particular place under the ground. Okay, so there will be an unwanted flow. Okay, when that unwanted flow generally reaches the platform or generally reaches to the rig. Okay, anyhow, because it is too much under pressure. Okay, so it can cause destruction in the rig if it is not properly controlled. So what BOP basically do it, it's basically a mechanical device, okay, which is compromises a lot of valves. So it will regulate this pressure. Okay, it will take whatever the pressure it is and safely take it outside and burn it properly. Okay, it is basically connected with a fluid system. Okay, so whatever the unintended pressure is coming from the reservoir, so it will take it and safely burn it through a fluid system. Fine. Next we will come to the topic that is about fireboards. Now, those who are related to marine safety, they may be heard about that name fireboards. Now basically what is the meaning of fireboards? So fireboards come from the 18th century. Actually they have started working on the fireboards as well as the first fireboard was used at 18th century. So basically what it involves is it's basically a normal board, okay, which is basically colored with the red color. Okay, and inside that particular board there are a lot of monitors in the sense water monitors. Now water monitor in the sense you can see say it's a cannon, fixed point firefighting cannon. It means there will be like a gun, okay, which is being installed in the fireboards. There are multiple guns, okay, through which you can extinguish the fire which is at offshore or at marine vessels, those who are stuck into the ocean or sea. Okay, so at the time you can carry out these operations, and the best thing about these boats is guys, enormous amount or infinite amount of water is present, because you can directly use the hull, which is your sea as well as your ocean. You can directly use that water for the extinguishment activities, as well as when there was some function when a historic ship is coming. At that time also these particular fireboards are used to create some sort of you can say very beautiful views, because they have multiple fire cannons, so they can just create very beautiful views. Even you can search in Google also, you will get a very beautiful images of fireboards. Generally it is used for your marine firefighting operations as well as offshore firefighting operations. Okay, now third is very important guys, that is your INSHPO. Okay, now what is the meaning of INSHPO? Just hear it clearly because it is going to be very useful for you in your fire and safety career. So INSPO means International Network of Safety and Health Professional Organizations. Now what it tells you is whatever the organizations is there, safety and health organizations, for example AIHA, American Industrial Hygiene Association, BCSP, Board of Certified Safety Professionals, NEBOSH, IOSH, okay, NACOT, it may be your NOSA. Okay, so out of these organizations, it is basically a network which is combining all these organizations. Means under the INSPO, these all organizations are coming. Now what is the benefit of that? So see, whatever the issues you have with regards to health and safety, you can come here, you can discuss with other organizations and take best advice. As well as they are making the safety professional advance, they are advancing the aegis profession like us, what we are doing through awareness. As well as recently they are working on a particular project in which they are going to make a chart which will be useful to, if you want to equivalent, if you want to do qualification equivalency, it may be of Australian, American, it may be UK qualification, so you can easily do it by using that chart. So they are basically doing a lot of works. Actually now at the current stage, a lot of organizations are not involved in that. The top organization which is available in that is ASSP, BCSP. A lot of organizations are there afterwards. Italy organizations are also there, okay, as well as Mauritius organizations are also there, those who are relating to safety. Okay, these are available inside that. Totally there are 9 organizations which is available in INSPO. So if you are interested to learn about safety of professional organizations which is available in the international levels apart from the NEBOSH and IOSH, so you can visit to their INSPO website and get out more information about that. Now guys, fourth topic is smoke modeling. Now as we know that we have statistics, we have gone through the statistics about the fire. When a fire occurs, a lot of people die because of smoke, not because of fire. Okay, so it means smoke is very hazardous, and we need to do smoke testing also, likewise fire testing, and we need to do smoke modeling also, likewise fire modeling. So now what smoke modeling involves is, for example, if we have any material, for example, this is a material, okay, if we burn that, if any sort of smoke will come, okay, so what will be the density of that, what will be the opacity of that, as well as how it will move, okay, how much heavy it will be. So various factors we will understand through the modeling. If we do a smoke modeling means we can understand if a fire occurs at a specific area of a building or a plant, then how the smoke movement will be. Okay, those are the person who are going to affect firstly. Okay, so a lot of things we can do in smoke modeling, as well as we can get the simulation result, prediction result of the smoke modeling, which can be useful in the upcoming projects for designing. Okay, next is our BCSP's QEP. That is very important, guys. BCSP QEP means Qualified Equivalent Program. Now, as you know that BCSP is running two types of program. First is QEP, second is QAP. Now, QEP means Qualified Equivalent Program. QAP means Qualified Accredited Program. So, especially we will talk about QEP. So, under that QEP, BCSP is certifying universities, courses, as well as certificate, diploma, degree level courses. Those who are awarded by internationally, apart from USA. If it is in USA, it will be QAP. If it is outside, it will be QAP. So those individuals, those who have completed any degree, any certificate, any course, any masters, which is being affiliated or comes under QEP program, then they can attain directly TSP designation. That is your Transitional Safety Practitioner. Now, as you know that what is the meaning of TSP, Transitional Safety Practitioner? It is one of the prestigious designation which is awarded by BCSP and GST also. So if you hold TSP, then you can directly approach to CSP. You don't need to go for ASP. As well as within the 5 years, if you today achieve your TSP, within the next 5 years you need to go for CSP. So that is the benefit of that. As well as in our India, a lot of universities are approved by that. Okay, so whenever if you are pursuing basically planning for any BTech or MTech degree, so make sure that if you want to work in US or want to capture Western market, then you should go for any BCSP QEP approved program. So that will be useful for you in order to get easy entry in the Western markets, in the US especially. Okay, so these are the 5 topics, guys, which I have shared with you. If you have also learned something today, you can put them in comment box. I'll be happy to know that, and I can also learn from that. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Meet you in the next video.